Okay.
Hi, welcome back to Red's Garden deep underground in Kansas. So today we will be doing trimming the roots. So we have 20 tomatoes growing now, and we're going to check the roots. You can see how big the plant is, and look how much roots there are. So we need to stuff some in if we can, only if we can though. So we can't stuff those in. So we need to grab our scissors and trim.
Okay.
And we're trimming these because the tomatoes need to get healthier, and like the tomatoes are going to be growing for at least weeks and weeks. And there is 20 tomatoes already growing. So soon we're going to have them getting red. Because like if you see these tomatoes on top, and there's some little baby ones over here. So we need to cut this because it will help the tomatoes and let the tomatoes grow even more. Okay, probably it for the tomatoes. So we need to put it back in carefully. Okay, there. So, and if you look at the strawberries, so we're going to look at the roots. They're pretty healthy and none of them are sticking out, so that's good. So now we're going to trim some of the bad leaves so they can get better. Because we don't want leaves that are like bad, because then the plants, they need to be healthy leaves, so we need to cut all the leaves that have like brown or not green leaves, because then they'll get better. And this one right here is growing a flower. So I think that'll be good.
Okay,
And I'm just gonna trim this one because I just saw it. We don't want these bad leaves. So then we're gonna go down to the next strawberries. They're probably the same roots. They're probably the same. They're the same. And this one has some strawberries growing also. So now we need to trim all of the bad leaves off so they can get better. Okay, here we go. We always want to make sure our plants are having healthy leaves and all sorts of that. So if you come over here, you can see all the flowers going on this one. And there's about 9 or 10 flowers already grown on it. And the first time we had it, there was at least 5, so they've grown like more. And this one down here, really pretty one. So the tomatoes, like all these flowers are gonna get all these little thingies, they're gonna grow tomatoes. So then we're gonna have a bunch of tomatoes. Before we like pick the tomatoes off, they have to get like they can't be green, so we have to wait a little bit longer for them to not be green anymore.
Okay.
Okay, so they're gonna grow, and these are blossoms, flower blossoms. So, and we're gonna come over to this one, terminal, and we're gonna cut it off. And if you guys don't remember, these are the flowers that we can. So you have to cut it off, and you have to pinch it back. And then when you pinch it back, it will grow another flower on the same stem like this one did. And when we cut these off, we cut the flowers off, we will let them dry. And they're gonna dry, and then we're gonna make terminal tea out of these flowers. So hopefully the flowers will grow back. Okay, so that's all today. Bye guys, see you next time, and make sure you click that subscribe button down below. Bye.